Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out the tools that I found for the week. So these are either going to be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals and worth considering, or they're going to be tools that I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. So first up, we are looking at the Knipex 002001 Victor 16. All of these items that we discuss today will be linked down in the description for you guys. They'll all have their own dedicated link, so they're easily found. And then I will have two additional links that will take you to a long list of tools that I've either went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. So it's all there for you guys. But let's go ahead and get into this. This is a 4-piece set from Knipex, made in Germany. I own probably 20 to 30 pairs of Knipex pliers and haven't been disappointed by any of them so far. Really good quality, really good engineering into all of these pliers. And this 4-piece set I think is a fantastic price. The typical price is $125, down 15% to $107. I think that's a fantastic price. I would even purchase this at the $125. I think I paid $70 to $90 just for the two long nose pliers on the left. You have an angled set and a straight set, and then you kind of have their multi-purpose combination pliers at the top right, and then a set of diagonal side cutters. So it's a very nice little set for a very good price, and it comes in the foam tray. Now, whether or not you can use that, that's up to you in your situation, but I think it's organized very well and a good variation of pliers. So this does have 4.9 stars at 79 ratings, and I think is very affordable and worth considering. Next up, we are looking at a Capri Tools item, this one being another new item. So not too long ago, Capri Tools released their new 90-tooth comfort grip ratchets. They still have their 72-tooth as well, flex heads available. As far as their new design, I don't think they've released the flex head yet. Before, they just had the long ratchets in this design that were just slightly larger than your standard size ratchet, and then now they have released the extra long ratchets with the ergonomic grip and 90-tooth design. You're going to get 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. Keep in mind, this is the 3-piece set. You can buy them individually, especially if you're not looking at spending this much money or you don't need extra long ratchets in all 3 drive sizes. But this does have 4.6 stars at 1,154 ratings. But that is going to be all of these combined. That's going to be their old 72-tooth design and their new 90-tooth design, and then all of the different ones. So that's something to keep in mind. All around, I own both, and both are extremely good ratchets. I haven't had any issues with them. I like the comfort grip on these. It is comfortable. They're good strength. The ratcheting mechanism feels good. Here you can see the 1/4 inch is 12 inches long, the 3/8 is 20 inches long, and the 1/2 inch drive is going to be 25 inches long. There you can see the 90-tooth gear and pawl, a better view of the comfort grip itself. The max chrome plating, which I will say Capri Tools does have a very nice chrome job on their tools. They've done a very good job with everything that I've owned. At $150, you're looking at roughly $50 per. For extra long ratchets, that's not a bad price at all. I paid that more than that just for one Milwaukee one. Granted, it was a flex head and the long version, but I think for this price and what you're getting, I think it's a good deal. I think we may see deals on it later, but this is one of those items that I believe, even at this price, it's a good deal for what you're getting. Next up is an item that I have owned since the beginning of the year and have been very pleased with. I know I've mentioned it in the past, but anytime it's at this price range, which is fairly often, I like to mention it. This is the Vessel Impact Ball Torsion Bit Set. It's a 30-piece set plus your bit adapter or the case. And these are made in Japan. Vessel is a company that I've started purchasing probably a year and a half ago, and have been very pleased with them. I've found a lot of tools that they offer that I'm extremely pleased with. One thing that I've noticed over the last couple of years of buying Japan-made tools is they have very high quality stuff and very good quality control. So this is one that was very affordable, because there are some bit sets out there that are extremely expensive. Like PB Swiss, love the bits, but they are quite expensive. This I found to be a good quality bit set for a much better price. This is at $30 basically, down from a list price of $43. I don't think you ever actually see it at that, but I think $30 for this set is fantastic. This does have 4.8 stars at 170 ratings. But one thing I will say about this set is this bit adapter here is garbage. It uses a retention ring or a little locking ring for your standard bits that you find basically anywhere. These torsion ball bits do not have that ring. So why they put this bit adapter in with these bits doesn't make any sense. Well, I should say the bit adapter is a decent bit adapter. Nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't work with these bits very well. There's a lot of play. The bits can move forward and back quite a bit. If you use them with your standard bits that you may have around the house already, it will work great for those. Why it's included in this set with these designs, I'm not sure, but that is something I wanted to mention. So another great product for a great price. Next product is one that I am considering purchasing because I want to do another one tool review video on some ratchets that I haven't used, and I've heard a lot of good things about these and a few other brands, but this is one that I wanted to mention, especially at the price point of $35. I don't think that's a bad deal. It is a smaller ratchet. It's a 3/8 drive, but it is a smaller ratchet. You're not getting extra length or anything like that. It has 4.9 stars at 123 ratings. It's at $35.61, down from a typical price of $41, so a little bit of decent savings there. It does have kind of a comfort grip on it. There you can see the main gear and pawl, the overall dimensions. I've just heard a lot of good things about it, so this is one that I'm considering making a video on. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure to drop a comment down below, or any others. I plan on getting a Knipex as well as a couple other brands that aren't necessarily tool truck, but good quality ratchets that some may want to consider, but don't want to take the chance on quite yet. Here's some other ones that they have available. This is also a great deal to consider. Actually, both of these are. So those are a couple other ones to keep in mind. So that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Keep in mind, all of these will be linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.